Hello everyone, this is a video about this Karcher WV6, which I wanted to get one of these for a long time, but unfortunately the other models, they were not really impressive in my opinion, but this one is a little bit better and is one of the latest ones. And this one called Premium WV6 Premium or Premium Plus. It comes in different names, and somehow the prices varies from 78-79 pounds up to, some people they are selling this up to 115 pounds and even 140 pounds, which is ridiculous. But the prices that I paid for this is 89 pounds, but still you can find this for 79 pounds, which is a bargain. I show you the link for that 79 pounds if you are interested to buy this, and I'm sure that you cannot get it for that price. And I was shocked that someone is selling it for a short period of time for that price. So now I get everything out of the box and I give you my opinion about this and see if you find it helpful or not. I just get everything out of the box, I'll lay it down the table and we talk more. In this premium package, this is all that you get, including the instruction manual and the registration paper and a quick guide to everything. I show you the quick guide, and I put everything on the side now because I don't have enough space on my table for all of this. If you want, you can pause and have a look. This is one side and this is the other side. And this is just the product registration, that if you want to register this, you use this the information here, where to contact and so on. And this is another one that explains what is written, all the signs that they are in the quick guide. And then you get a 20 milliliter of solution, window cleaning solution, in this pack, and it tells you what to do and what not to do. And now we get to all of this. First, let's get familiar with this. All of this. This is the charger, and the charger is 5.5 volt, 2 amp. If you want to have a look, and strictly in here it says that you have to use its own charger in order to charge the battery inside, because it has a lithium battery. And then, as always with these window cleaners, you have this spray bottle that first you put this in here and then tighten it up. Like so, and then you close the bottle and This is for the small windows that this one folds around this. Don't worry if you don't have the appropriate size pad for this. And also for your larger, these are all velcros. And for larger windows is this one that you just put it over here like so. That's it. And now you can put your pad over here for larger windows. Anyhow, this is just some sort of gimmick. You can use any other vaporizer or a spray or atomizer, water atomizer, to just use it, but this one is more particular to your windows. We put this aside, and then you get a small squeegee. And this model is the reason that I've gone for this model is the squeegee design, as well as the battery indicator that is really, let me just get rid of this sticker from here, because they find it so satisfying. So I put it aside here, and then it shows how much battery you got in here, and exactly. And then this is your larger squeegee. That is really good. They say that it can clean up to the end of your window because is bending like so. The other one didn't bend so much. And then you have, for cleaning all of this, you can just do this. In order to change or clean inside here, you can do this to dismantle it as much as you can, and then you put this back and push it, and there is a latch here that it clicks into place. And then the charging, I show you how it charges. It can only go one way because there is a notch here that is going to attach to here, and then when you charge it, this is already 100%. This is how it shows that is charging, and it takes 170 minutes to charge fully, and you can use it for about 1 hour, and it's not bad. And this is how it sounds. I must say I'm not really impressed with the power of the vacuum in here, but is better than nothing. And I'm sure you have seen loads of videos about this, but I'm going to show you a short demonstration about this. I get everything ready, and I get to the bathroom, and I show you how it operates. Just before I demonstrate this item to you, I just wanted to show you this site. Is the price is $78.99 and free shipping, and the postage is not bad. And the guy who is selling this, or the person who is selling this, it has 100% positive feedback, so not much is going to go wrong in this case. So $78.99, fantastic price, but I have paid $88.99. Anyhow, that's behind us. Let's go to the demonstration. So here we are in the shower, and This is all ready. You have to mix in the liquid that it comes with it with 230 milliliters of water, and then shake it well. And now you spray. But I have to say that this is really vaporizing the water and is really good, better than the other stuff. And I just spray a little bit more just to see how the Karcher is going to perform. And it has lemony sort of a smell into this liquid. I just go to the end. And as you see, it's fantastic. I'm looking at it right now and it's looking really good. Anyhow, I hope you like this video, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time and stay well.